This is a student. She is learning how to do qualitative research. She has been learning all about qualitative research. She's learned what qualitative research is and some basics for how to do it. She's learned how to do some interviewing and some observations. She's learned how to do some data analysis. But now, it's time to write about the research she's done. What should she do? Get a copy of How to Write Qualitative Research, of course. It can tell you a lot about how to compose qualitative reports, qualitative theses and dissertations, and more. So what's in it? How to Write Qualitative Research contains an introduction and 12 chapters. The introduction talks more about what the book does and doesn't cover. It tells a bit about who I am and my philosophy of writing. Chapter 1 talks about the central place that writing has in qualitative research and all the stages of a project that writing occurs. Chapter 2 delves into the structure of a manuscript, including ideas for writing titles and abstracts, using headings and transitions, and much more. Chapter 3 focuses on grammar, giving a reader-friendly, totally non-judgmental view of how grammar and punctuation can help you write qualitatively. Chapter 4 gives loads of specific suggestions for how to revise your qualitative research to be the clearest and most convincing it can be. Chapter 5 shows you how to convince readers that you're a reliable researcher and that you were in a real place with real people. Chapter 6 is all about presenting data, including lots of options for organizing it and a model called the SQC model for setting up, presenting, and commenting on data in your findings. Chapter 7 moves beyond the raw data to what you make of it, showing you how to craft valid findings, assertions, and conclusions that convince readers. Chapter 8 illuminates the often difficult topics of writing about theories and the scholarly literature. Chapter 9 gives you all you need to know about crafting a method section or chapter. Chapter 10 provides loads of options and examples of visualizations you can put in your qualitative manuscripts. Chapter 11 helps you think about the nuances of writing within particular genres of qualitative research. My specific examples are discourse analysis and autoethnography. Chapter 12, finally, gives you tips for writing different types of documents, from course papers to dissertations to journal articles and more. I teach you how to ask who the audience is and what they really want to know. So that's what's in the book. How might you use it if you're a student or an instructor? For the qualitative writer, you can use it any way you want. You can go through from start to finish in order, or you can skip around and just read the chapter about the part you're just working on. So if, for example, you're about to write your methods chapter of your dissertation, go straight to Chapter 9. Mark it up, write in the margins, weigh it down with sticky flags. It's your book! There are also resources on the book's companion website, other videos, motivational posters, and links that can help you. For instructors, you can do similar in planning your class. You can go straight through, skip around, and focus on particular chapters when the class gets there. For you, there's also instructor resources on the website. These include slides that go chapter by chapter, though you can feel free to pull out individual slides and customize as you wish. There's also an instructor's guide with helpful tips on how to incorporate writing instruction into a qualitative course, activities and approaches for the classroom, and assessing your students' writing. No matter who you are, I hope you enjoy how to write qualitative research and find it useful. If you have suggestions for improving the book or adding resources, please reach out to me. Thanks.
Give me second. Just leave it rolling. Just leave it rolling. Tip, 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 tip.